tucky some shot. Open a brain like say I want shop. None of no don't bad. Run go call cops. We no like that. We a fly chop. When me say chop, a literal chop. You get it in a face, so we fly back. Back and wicked and torment. Reaction.
What's the ready to Mr. Boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss, and I'm back in the with another video for you guys. See that song from Guyana. Guyana, what's happening, y'all? You feel me? It's been a minute since I did a reaction for y'all, but I'm back in effect. Right now, back in effect with one of the most controversial artists as about a guy. Let's see, I say Mafi song called Madness. He dropped a music video fit. Apparently, the song was out a minute ago. I'm not sure. I remember somebody gone in my head. I was gone, so I was really posting. But you know what? We're back in effect. I'm gonna react to the music them right now. You see me? I think when I see in the comment section, I say I have a song with Noah Power. I don't know who Noah Power is. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But I get apparently some Jamaica. You feel me? I don't know, y'all. I've been out the game, but I'm back. So drop this in the comment section when you want me to react to. Drop some fire emoji, y'all. So if you fuck with the reaction and like the video, so the video get recommended to more people. You see me? I say, I can see what I got for madness right now, man. You see me? Round table music. Big up yourself, Mafi. Big up yourself as usual. I can see what I got right now. Lock in. Like the video. Subscribe for the subscribe it. Can we reach 100k? How we gonna do it? Don't chat. Run it.
Round table music. Hi, digital going global.
Buckler.
Yo, 5 AM. Me attracted to madness. Got me connect to me gun like a magnet. Gunshot travel like.
No, that bad. No, that bad. Hold on.
Me attracted to madness. Got me connect to me gun like a magnet. Gunshot travel like car in a transit. Them a no magnum dark, them a shandy. Better run to your.
What is shandy? I don't know if I get what is a shandy? They don't say I'm a magnum. I mean, what song for it? The song obviously is that this to magnum. So I guess this song was been out already. It's just the video. But I said them a no magnum. Them a shandy. Shandy like a soda.
In a transit. Them a no magnum dark.
Them a shandy. What is shandy? Champagne.
Shandy.
Fresh and thirsty quench qualifier champagne. Oh gosh. You don't know magnum. You know magnum tonic wine. Mirati. Go on.
Gunshot travel like car in a transit. Them a no magnum dark. Them a shandy. Better run to your pandit. A one phone call so they all of them funk dirt. 1 mile known for the killers and bandits. All of my thugs them fuck up haunted. That me nah no cap in a me rapper. Everything me say a fact. Last boy this pick up tucky some shot. Open a brain like say I want shop. None of no don't bad. Run go call cop. We no like that.
Hola. I say I'm not copying. Remember to your pan first. Either say I'm not copying and rap. Hola.
Run to your pandit. A one phone call.
Run to your pan. One phone call and it ends.
They all of them funkers. 1 mile known for the killers and bandits.
I say known for the killers and the bandits. Them yes killers and the thief them. That's 1 mile gang known for.
All of my thugs them fuck up haunted. That me nah no cap in a me rapper. Everything me say a fact. Last boy this pick up tucky some shot. Open a brain like say I want shop. None of no don't bad. Run go call cop. We no like that. We a fly chop. When me say chop, a literal chop. You get it in a face, so we fly back. Back and wicked.
Hola. Last boy this pick up 30 something shot. My brain like a shop. No, dog.
Cup tucky some shot. Open a brain like say I want shop. None of no don't bad. Run go call cops. We no like that. We a fly chop. When me say chop, a literal chop. You get it in a face, so we fly back. Back and wicked and torment. Boy try running shot, ripping up garment. 1 mile fully outside with it brawling. Violate we you not see ya next morning, dog.
That video. That when I get up on the ends of the wall and that must have build back. You see me, dog have a special name and the word that's there, yes, on the shop page are build back and a wall of vibes. You not even like John was
outside with it brawling. Violate we you not see ya next morning, dog. Me thugs them corrupt and haunted. We no like chase dog, we no send warning.
Never
be a con, everybody just balling. Fully 1 mile at the boss this talking, dog. Me attracted to madness. Dog me connect to me gun like a magnet. Gunshot travel like car in a transit. Them a no magnum dog, them a shandy. Better run to your pandit. A one phone call, so the whole of them vanquish. 1 mile known for the killers and bandits. All of me talks them fuck up and it. Dog, me no heart in a me dog, you a go dead clean. Yeah, kid turn on somebody skin peel. She just pull up, fuck up your windshield.
Heart in a me dog, you a go get one lamb. If you catch a party at 2.
Talks them fuck up and it. Dog, me no heart in a me dog, you a go dead clean. Yeah, kid turn on somebody skin peel. She just pull up, fuck up your windshield. Me dog them sick and we no two TED talk. We make ESL blast. Dead like that, try run up and we you get your head side gun. And no one say we do the badness from we bad. 1 mile when me grow, hey boy no make me ship up in a gorilla mode. A big long rifle, we never travel with sword. No one say me dark and me heart too cold. From a boy violate, we just send them home. Like who that, all of me killer them brutal. Switch pon the Glock, too fast. Pussy you no safe with a Trojan. Do. Me attracted to madness.
Hey, who hear that first day again, dog? Well, buckler, dog. No, just some emotion in the comments, man. Stop playing with the boss right now. When I put the reaction, boss, so me kind of style that. Just some fire emoji, man. The fuck you talking about? John was starting. Ready, Mafi?
And no one say we do the badness from we bad. 1 mile when me grow, hey boy no make me ship up in a gorilla mode. A big long rifle we never.
Kid dog get in a gorilla mode. My blood clot, go on.
1 mile when me grow, hey boy no make me ship up in a gorilla mode. A big long rifle we never travel with sword.
Never travel with no blood clot sword.
Hey boy no make me ship up in a gorilla mode. A big long rifle we never travel with sword. No say me dark and me heart too cold. From a boy violate we just send them home. Like who that?
I say no, say we dark and them are too cold. From a boy violate them, I go send them home. Guy your bed, hola.
Killer them brutal. Switch pon the Glock, too fast. Pussy you no safe with a Trojan. Do. Me attracted to madness. That me connect to me gun like a magnet. Gunshot travel like car in a transit. Them a no magnum dog, them a shandy. Better run to your bandit. A one phone call, so the whole of them vanquish. 1 mile known for the killers and bandits. All of me talks them fuck up and it.
John was star. Hey, like a shandy. Yeah, no, hola. Madness. Yeah, man. That is it. Let's get another bad reaction from the reaction boss. You wanna think. Wanna think. Let me know down below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you in another video. Which I'm gonna do right now for you, but more you like the video right now, dog. You cannot watch a reaction boss video and you don't like the video, like what you really depend what kind of style that. That is come on, dog, like the video and subscribe. Right now with a 20,800 sub, 20.8, 20,000.8. Right now we need 200 more subscribers to reach 21k. I know what we want to do right now. We want 200 on the subscriber for the video alone. So smash up the subscribe button. Yeah, man. Anyway, I see another one. You see me, I say I'm doing another one for you right now.